Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, it is the last day of us being here in Hawaii, and it's kind of sad that we're leaving, but we had a lot of fun and a lot of great memories. I feel like this was the best decision we could have made as far as celebrating our anniversary. Today we don't have too much planned out. It was more of a relaxing day. We are going to go to a pineapple field, and they're going to tour us around, so that should be interesting. Our flight today is like around 10 p.m. so we have all day here. We are going to go down to a little shop nearby, probably get some food and some ice cream because Eric's been craving ice cream and he hasn't had it, so just come along with us for the rest of the day.
Also, they left this in our bed, but Luz is letting me know that we need to leave it.
Yeah, we're not taking it.
However, I think this is a gift.
It's not a gift.
I think we're supposed to take it with us. So I'm going to take it and see what
we're not taking it.
We're taking it, baby.
No. Alright guys, so we just got back to the hotel. We've already checked out, but they have a little lobby area here. We're just downloading some movies for when we are on the plane. I did get 2 Starbucks cups. One of them is for my friend. She asked me if I can get one for her since they're limited edition here in Hawaii. So I got one for her and one for myself. We had ice cream and then we started walking the boardway. Eric wants to go back in the beach. However, whatever we're wearing now is what we're gonna wear to the plane, so I don't feel like it's the best thing for us to do right now. I feel like we had plenty of water, but he feels like he should definitely go back in there. I didn't get my pina colada. Eric did try to get it for me, but since we're gonna be driving right now and we're gonna be out in the heat, I don't want to be drunk doing that, so I'll pass on it for now. But I'll catch up with you guys again when we go to the pineapple tour.
And each pineapple is going to get dunked in our ozone bath, and it's going to be given a swim test. So if that pineapple is compromised in any way, it's going to go ahead and sink to the bottom of our bin. And we're going to go ahead and bring those pineapple here out into the graveyard for local farmers. Here's our actual pineapple, and these are more like our teenager pineapple. They're in the stage right now. These pineapple are between 18 and 19 months old. So about 2 more months for these pineapple to get to the height of their actual ripeness. And we're gonna come back down in this area and we'll explore this area more. Slips possible off each one of these peduncles, and then they're gonna put them in those garbage trucks, those seed shooter trucks, and they shoot them out onto the fields here, and they just kind of disperse this whole area. All of these sections were planted just like the sections were at the top of the farm, but you see already they're starting to kind of take off in different ways. Some have already started to flower, the beautiful look to it at this stage of life.
There's some, oh wow.
2 weeks later, pick up the medium-sized pines, and then finally they'll go through and pick up the smallest pineapples. That way they keep labor costs down, and they're able to kind of support themselves with this smaller mom-and-pop kind of farm operation.
Alright guys, so we just finished with our pineapple tour and it was really good. I kind of felt weird because we were like the only young people there, but It was so informative, and then they gave us, instead of 2 free pineapples, they gave us 4. So they loaded us up, and they said that they do have this thing with the airlines that they allow you to bring the pineapple as long as it's from here, from Hawaii.
It needs to be Maui Gold.
Maui Gold. And honestly, we had tastings that we did, and the pineapple was so good.
Later.
We did want to try this place next to it, which they sell like bowls here. So this is chicken with noodles, garlic noodles. So me and Luz are going to share this, but it looks pretty bomb, and it smells pretty good.
All right, guys, so we just finished eating. We did come to this restaurant called Las Piñatas. I did have 2 shrimp tacos, which were amazing. I had told Eric that I wanted some shrimp tacos, so I guess that's why he found this Mexican restaurant. The tacos were good, the rice was good. However, Eric's burrito was kind of like a hit or miss, I guess, and they're known for it, but
I didn't really like it.
So, but next door, I saw that there was like a line of people, and I was like, what is this place? And it's called Tin Roof, Tinroof, and he googled it and he said that they had really good reviews. And it's this little bowl here. It had like chicken and noodles, and he said it's really tasty. So we need to have a good meal before we get on the plane. It's already 7 and our flight boards at 9:45, so we need to return the vehicle. So as soon as we're done eating, we're gonna go ahead and head out to the airport. Any last words?
I had a really good time.
I had a good time too.
It was, I think my favorite part about the whole experience was trying new foods, looking at Mother Nature, and just having fresh air. Like, it just feels different compared to like the city, and everything just feels really good here.
But we're ready to go home. I mean, the vacation was nice, and I would definitely stay here, but duty calls, and unfortunately we have to go make more money to make more trips in the future. But the next clips will probably be of us being at the airport and finally getting home. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of today's video. Honestly, if you ask me what was my favorite part of the whole trip, I don't think I have one thing to pick. We were there for a total of 6 days and I missed it already. Luckily, we're having great weather here in Arizona, so it's like if we brought the weather with us. But please let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite part that we did on the trip. It's so many footage that we have to go through, so I don't know what will make it on there, but I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us in our Maui trip, and I hope there's many more trips to come where we can bring you guys along with us. But if you guys did like today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.
Solo.